Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to force turn off your phone if it's frozen, stuttering, or just slow. Now, if you can't manually turn it off by holding down the power button and then going to power to turn it off, you can easily turn it off by holding down the power button and then the volume down key. So if we hold both these buttons down at the same time, we will force restart our phone. So let's hold both these down, and then after about 3 seconds, it should turn off. And it may take a picture as well. That's an indication you're doing this right. So my phone just turned off. If I'm swiping, nothing's turning on. I can press the power button, and my phone should be restarting. You'll see the logo here in a second. And then you can go ahead and start using it like normal. Now on your version of the phone, to turn it off, it might be a little bit different. This is a Samsung phone. There is an additional button right here, the Bixby button. So you might also have to hold down that button. So hold down the power button, the volume down button, and that extra third button. Hold all three of those down at the same time. And this may also turn off your device, depending on if it has that additional button. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.